How to highlight all the stories to your Instagram profile. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to this Guide Studio, and today's guide I'll show you how you can highlight your all the stories to your Instagram profile. It's super easy, so let's get started. Now to do that, simply go and open up the Instagram app from your Android or iPhone, and from the home page, go and tap on this profile icon at the bottom right. Now once you're here inside this one, tap on this three horizontal line at the top right. Now once you're here inside the settings and activity, you just need to tap on archive. Now once you're here inside the archive, make sure the story archive is selected. So you'll get to see I have some old stories here. So let's say I just want to highlight this story, for example. Now to do that, you just need to open this up and tap on this highlight option at the bottom right, and you can give it a name for this one, and go and tap on add, and then simply going to tap on view on profile, and the highlight will be added to your profile. You'll get to see the highlight has been added, and this is how you can highlight any old stories on your Instagram account. I hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.